ब्रीच डिलीवरी, बेबी आ रहा है, ठीक है जी। आपको बटक्स क्राउनिंग जैसे होती है हेड की, हेड क्राउन करता है, दैट मीन्स द हेड इज विजिबल इन बिटवीन द कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस एट द perineum, it's stretching the vulva, ठीक है। Now similarly breech is stretching the vulva and the breech is visible with the labor pains. When the pain comes, delivery of the legs, take your index finger, interior leg first. I am trying to reach the knee, and once the knee is palpable, I am going to flex the knee and deliver it. ठीक है? So breech delivery, when the breech is palpable, take your index finger, try to reach the knee joint posteriorly and flex the leg. One leg is delivered. Now taking the index finger behind the other leg, knee को feel करें, flex it and deliver the leg. This is Pinard's maneuver for the delivery of legs. Pinard's maneuver. After the Pinard, when the baby is hanging, just hold the baby like this. Two thumbs at the sacrum and my two fingers are holding the baby's body. Okay? Just holding it like this. Or you can take a warm, normal saline soap sponge to wrap the baby. ठीक है, या warm sponge ले लें. With the next contraction, when the cord is visible, again ease out the cord, ताकि उसका pressure नहीं आए ज़्यादा. With the next contraction, now the scapula is visible. ठीक है, उसमें हमने normal को deliver होने दिया था shoulders को. The other technique is Lobsitz maneuver. Lobsitz. Lobsitz is simply rotate the baby 1/8 of a circle to deliver the interior shoulder. ठीक है, ये बेबी आ रहा है, आप मुझे कोई पकड़ेगा इसको, ठीक है। I am holding the baby like this. When the shoulder is visible, scapula, give the rotation 1/8 of a circle to deliver the anterior shoulder, back in the transverse, and then other way around 1/8 of a circle to deliver the posterior shoulder. This is Lobsitz maneuver. Small rotation है, just 1/8 of a circle. ठीक है, आप लोग उस वक्त पूरी बेबी को कई दफा घुमा चुकते हैं Lobsitz में. इतनी रोटेशन बेबी नहीं दे सकता. ठीक है, तो holding the baby in the transverse with the back upwards toward the symphysis pubis, giving 1/8 of a circle या 1/4 of a circle कर लो. Anterior shoulder, back in the transverse, and then another rotation for the posterior shoulder. This is Lobsitz maneuver for the delivery of shoulders. ठीक है. Now the difficult part, head. Delivery of head में the procedure is Morris-Mead breech procedure, MSV. ठीक, उसमें क्या करना है बच्ची, क्या बैठ. With my one hand, क्योंकि मैं right handed हूँ, I will take my left hand in, 2 fingers on the chin, both sides, and middle finger on the upper lip के ऊपर. ठीक है, trying to flex the head, and with my right hand I will put 2 fingers on the shoulders and 1 finger on the nape of neck. So basically with this hand I am flexing the head, और इसके साथ भी I am trying to flex the head. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे well flexed head चाहिए. With the next contraction it's going to deliver. MSV. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये difficult है, तो other ways to delivery by the forceps. After coming back पे apply forceps. Forceps application is also part of assisted breech delivery. Same उसी तरह भी जब forceps लगाएंगे उसी तरह इसको भी लगाएंगे. The difference is कि आपने इसको below the body लेके जाना है. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं जा सकते. You are going to apply under the body. anyone who is not interested, please आप चले जाएं. Time बहुत कम है. We are going to apply the forceps under the body. Now the other blade again under the body और इसको आप लॉक कर लें एंड उसी तरह जे शेप में डिलीवर कर दें. ठीक है. So delivery of breech, assisted breech delivery. Pinard's maneuver for legs. Take your finger behind the knee, flex it and deliver. Take your index finger behind the knee, flexing the leg and deliver it. Pinard maneuver, hold the body upwards, sacrum should be upwards. I'm just holding the baby with my thumb and two fingers and giving slight traction. When the cord is visible, just ease out the cord and hold the baby again from the scapula. When the shoulders are visible, rotate the baby first for the anterior shoulder and then middle knee, or then again for the posterior shoulder. This is lopsided maneuver for the delivery of breech. ठीक है. Now comes head. MSV. With my right hand, I am going to flex the neck. Two fingers shoulders पे और one occiput पे, and with the other hand, two fingers on the cheeks and one on the upper lip, and trying to flex it. So it's going to deliver. ये भी नहीं हो रहा तो go for the forceps. ठीक हो गया? Clear? Breech लाए या transfer